Have you ever thought about investing, but felt like you don't have enough money to start? What if I told you, in 2025, you can start investing with just $100? Here's the truth. It's not about how much you start with. It's about starting early and staying consistent. Even $100 can grow if you invest it wisely. Start by using beginner-friendly apps like Robinhood, Webull, or Fidelity. These apps let you buy fractional shares so you can own part of big companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Even if you don't have thousands of dollars, the key is to invest regularly. Even $20 a week adds up. Choose simple, long-term investments like index funds or ETFs. They track the market and grow steadily over time. And most importantly, don't chase quick profits. Let compound growth do the heavy lifting for you. Because here's the secret. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. So take that first step today. Invest your first $100 and start building your path to financial freedom. This is Golden Investors, helping you make smarter money moves.